So drinking coffee is apparently really good for you, and this is great for Sazi, a new study that shows that coffee lengthens your life, reduces risks of dementia, and boosts your mood. It is no surprise at all. That's where you find Sazi's take. Sazi, you drink a fair bit of coffee.
Yeah, I think Lil Huddy drinks a lot of coffee too. So we're going to be, whoever that is, we're going to be living for the next 450 years. But a good couple new surveys out. One from the Annals of Internal Medicine. That survey is saying if you drink 1.5 to 3.5 cups a day, even with sugar, which is interesting, you were 29% to 31% less likely to die than non-drinkers. So you will live longer, at least according to this survey, if you drink a good amount of coffee. And another one from the JAMA Internal Medicine Group. They are saying they looked at people, and there I am. And that's my coffee order. That is a live picture of my coffee this morning. Now that is 31 ounces of coffee that cost me $8.80, right? $8.80 pre-tax from Starbucks. Now, if you can guess how many ounces, what else is in that drink, I'll send you a Yahoo Finance hat, so please tweet me your replies. But look, this other study, they looked at folks that drink 1 cup of coffee a day, other people who drank 8 cups of coffee a day, which is really...
Where are you in that range?
I'm more closer to like 14. We'll take that off. We'll take that offline. But both of those groups have a lower risk of death versus non-drinkers, and it's very interesting. Now, you see studies like this. I've seen tons of these through the years. Your first thought, if you're up there trading on the Yahoo Finance platform, whatever you're inclined to do in your morning, only go out and buy some of these coffee stocks. Well, they've all been hit. Of course, we talked to Dutch Bros CEO a couple weeks ago. Its stock declined, I believe, 37% on its earnings day. Krispy Kreme donut, really, that is the only coffee stock that has been taking on or has been gaining of late. McDonald's shares under pressure. All of these companies, at the end of the day, are fast food chains dealing with labor pressures, the inability to find labor for their workforce, and the inability to push through higher prices for lots of these items. Hence, even though coffee might be good for your health, they still have to sell a lot of other things on these menus to drive sales and profits.
Well, Krispy Kreme introduces a new donut every other week, so perhaps that's what's driving people back in there. And when you think about the number of these chains that, yes, on the labor front, it is highly competitive for them, just being able to retain employees, having people show up for work, and then what the payment is, quite frankly, looking like as well. I mean, that's highly competitive. But again, it's just going to come down to supply chain, to being able to get enough of the ingredients that you need for a day in, day out basis.
Can we show that picture? I want to show that picture of my coffee again. Can you guys guess how many ounces that was?
Oh, it was easily 20.
32?
That's a 30.
31. That is the Trenta size.
Yay.
That is the largest size cup you can get at Starbucks. You're getting the hat. You're going to get the hat.
Thank you. And you know what? I was going to talk about the return of the office because I do think I've ordered way more coffee out now that we're going into the office than I was before. I was brewing my own coffee. I felt so domestic. But I think that's a part of the reason why we're seeing some of that slowing growth there.
Yeah, no,
people aren't going to the office.
True. Breakfast has been a huge. It's usually historically a huge category, and in many respects, it is viewed as a leading indicator inside of fast food companies. Once you start to see breakfast coming back, the likes of Burger King, I know you're a fellow croissant witch fan. Once you see those sales picking up, it's actually a good economic sign.
I am a breakfast wars advocate here. That's the only thing I will advocate.
All day breakfast.
All day breakfast, done deal.